What is ProMind Complex? Everyone has different minds. The brain has come up against different environmental compounds and has been constructed from different genetic lines. No two brains are in exactly the same state, as there are many ways the mind can be damaged through the years. Even small things, like not enough sleep, can completely change the way that the mind heals each night. The use of ProMind Complex aims to help users restore the nourishment the brain needs for this cognition. Carl Henderson, the creator of ProMind Complex and a psychology professor from Texas, explains that ProMind Complex supports the health of the mind, ensuring that the user can reduce the risk of mental fatigue and improve their creativity. Consumers may slowly see progress in their concentration, their mental clarity, and more. Main functions. ProMind Complex can be helpful with mild cognitive impairment, McKay cases. It is a fine herbal blend of memory-enhancing and neuro-healing natural plant extracts, available in capsule format. The active ingredients present in the supplements help the mind release a hormone called serotonin, which helps with mental happiness, perks up the mood, and better brain function. Designed to allow the brain to produce neurotransmitters to enable the brain's sharpness, it helps to think and focus more attentively. It helps with aged and weak brain health functioning and memory loss problems by giving you energy rush and mental alertness. According to Healthcare Business Today, ProMind Complex has anti-inflammatory natural ingredients that also help with cerebral metabolism and efficient functioning of overall brain health. How to use. To reap the benefits associated with this supplement, consumers should take 1 capsule per day. As with most brain-oriented supplements, results are going to depend on how frequently and consistently consumers use the product. ProMind Complex should be taken at least once per day for several weeks in a row to maintain effects. Side effects. Ingredients used in the making of ProMind Complex are completely safe, natural, and herbal. These ingredients also don't tend to interfere with any of the medication. The product is prepared in an FDA-inspected facility with certified good manufacturing practices standards while making use of the strictest and sterile environment. Price. For 1 bottle, users will only have to cover $69 for the bottle, since the creators cover the cost of shipping for these orders. The creators recommend keeping up with this formula for several months to notice a clear change, which is why they also have a 3-bottle package for $177. which means $59 each, and a 6-bottle package for $294, which means $49 each. If consumers find that they don't improve their general cognition, they can get a refund within 60 days of the original purchase. How to buy. Go to the official website, link in description. Choose your plan and enter your payment detail and enjoy.